Hello everyone, welcome to Simple another video. In this video, I will show you how to change or customize your every post option. Like this is a post, and if you want to change this option, then go your theme option and click your single post or post details option. Here is post author name. If you want to show this, just enable this. If you don't need it, just disable this. I just disable this and post date. I just disable this and post comment number. Disable this. Post categories. Disable this. Post tag. Disable this. Post special share icon. Disable this. Post share icon. Disable this and author profile. Disable this. And I don't need anything. For example, and then finally save. After savings, go to your page and we see there is nothing. There is nothing. And if you need everything, just enable it. Just enable anyone. And finally, save. After saving, just reload this. After reloading, you see admin name, 8, business name, share icon, share now. Okay, and author profile. Thank you so much.